So here what a group of words that makes complete sense is called sentence. Here are 2 points to remember of sentence. Every sentence begin with capital letters and end with a full stop, question mark and or exclamation mark. Every sentence has, and second, every sentence has a subject and predicate. Sentence that has two parts. One is here. One is subject, another is what? Predicate. So subject, you know that noun or pronoun, and predicate means rest verb, object, conjunction, preposition. Means what are the rest word? This one will be in the predicate column. Here given something about the subject. What the subject? The subject of a sentence is a word or a phrase that says who or what does something. The subject of a sentence is a word or phrase that says who or what does something. Here now understand, Mohan draws a picture. So first we have to understand what is the subject here. So first ask in any sentence, ask who or what. Then we can find it out what the subject. Who draws a picture? Now answer will be what? Mohan. Who dance well? Now answer will be she. So both are the subject here. This one subject, this one subject. And verb and object rest part will be, it means rest part will be what? The predicate part. Dance well, what will be? This one will be the predicate. It means this one subject and rest part will be the predicate part. Now like this we have to understand what the subject and the predicate. Now come to the next point. Here some given, means here example given, boys play cricket. Another sentence, boys of this school plays cricket. Here highlighted means underline this one predicate part, both predicate part and boys, and here boys of this school, because both are subject here. Boys and boys of this school both are subject, and rest means this one underline part, this one is predicate part. And now here about the predicate description. Here the predicate. The predicate is the part of the sentence that says something about the action of subject or about the subject. Here check. Mohan draws a picture. Action of Mohan. What? Mohan is drawing a picture. And now she what she was? She danced well. So this is the action of she and Mohan. So this is the reason this part will be the predicate part. Here check, study the subject and the predicate in the following sentence. Here subject column here given, and here the predicate. Here birds fly. Predicate part fly. Predicate part include what? Include verb and object. Birds fly in the sky. Walking is good for health. The poor girl sat in a corner. The boys of our school made him captain. Subject I. Predicate part will be I am the teacher. And now next subject is she. And now predicate part what? Teacher us English. Actually teacher no, teaches us. Here something no, teaches us English. And next one, children swim in the river. So here what? Subject children, and predicate part is that what? Swim in the river. Okay, so student write 8 sentence and underline the subject and encircle the predicate part. It's a homework of today. Okay, thank you.